Okay, this is my corn cob jelly, and I added some peppers to it, and it's a little bit on the spicy side. I tasted it. Oh my goodness, it is so delicious. I'm bringing it to a boil. I have to allow it to boil vigorously until it thickens, and then I'll be adding the pectin, or that's pretty much it. And then I'll add the pectin, and that should make a nice flavor for this corn cob jelly. I will make another batch, and the batch will be with just a, I'm planning on adding like a honey flavor to it, and just have a simple corn syrup. From what I gather, this corn cob jelly is very, very delicious. I think it'd be great on waffles. If you're having something special like a brunch, I think it'll be delicious. If you like or you can put it on a cracker along with some cheese if you want to use it as an appetizer. This is this is the first time I made this, but like I said, I tasted it and it's so delicious. Oh my gosh. I can't have too much sugar, but for those who are looking and seeking for something different, this is going to be a nice addition to my other preserves. Okay, so I wanted to show you that real quick, let you know what Mary's cooking in the kitchen. And I'll be writing down my recipes for all my preserves that I have basically collected and revised, and came up with some really special recipes. So, and that should be, hopefully that should be in a chapter of my cookbook, or hopefully I'll get that going, and that's what I'm working on. So it started out as a test kitchen test, and then I kind of did my recipes. But this is going to be a really good one. I can't wait till this comes out. So okay, I'm going to allow that to boil, add my pectin, jar it, and cross my fingers. Let's hope it sets. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.